It was a pleasure to project lead at the beautiful and prestigious Chelsea Harbour, working alongside one of our long-standing partners, Power Portal, to update and future-proof the marina services provided to the berth holders. The harbour showcases a modern city surroundings, so working with Power Portal to add the well-engineered and seamless Berthmaster software into our new Rolec Classic service pedestals was the perfect solution for what the client required. It was amazing to see everyone working together on this project to deliver what the client needed, and to do so within a 2-week time frame. We suited the fast-paced environment down to the ground. Delivering reliable solutions and working in partnership is what we are about.
So we're really excited to be working on this project at Chelsea Harbour Marina, working with Rolec. It's fantastic that we've worked together for so many years on projects in marinas around the world. What works really well is that Rolec know the Berthmaster software really well. They know exactly what we need, which means that the client gets a really seamless installation and ongoing service.